Hey, Cobb County. My name's Nick Simpson, and I'm running for county clerk.
What are you doing?
I'm just trying to help. Hi, I'm Armstrong.
Cobb County's up-and-coming realtor. And I'm Nick Simpson,
Aren't you,
your candidate for clerk of Superior Court.
That's right. What's been going on since Friday nights at Sparkles?
Oh my gosh, I used to win the dance contest.
I remember.
couldn't skate, but I
You
would
could not
win a
skate. I
dance
remember that.
contest. Well, since I, graduated from high school, I worked for the Superior Court in Fulton County. I went to college, went to Hampton, got my graduate degree from Columbia, worked in New York City and New York State government. And I'm back. I'm back to run for clerk for 2024. And this time I'm in it to win it. I ran in 2020. I didn't prevail then, but I will prevail now.
Well, what changes do you plan on implementing in the current office?
The indexing backlog. Right now, if you were to file a case today, it would take 60 days for it to be processed and made available to opposing counsel.
Wow, really?
That's crazy, yes. And then the passports. We have an issue going on with the passport fee collection, taking it as income. The current clerk's made over $500,000 processing passports and
Wow.
collecting as income. Yes.
Wow.
That practice I will definitely end. But those are two major changes that I will make once I'm elected into office.
So what do you plan on doing with Cobb County residents to prevent them from being a victim of deed fraud?
Well, preventing deed fraud in the state of Georgia is very difficult.
Okay.
I can go to the Superior Court Clerk's office. I can file a warranty deed or a quitclaim deed today, transferring the property from you, making you the grantor and me the grantee. And when I file that paperwork, as long as it's signed and notarized in a proper form, the clerk can't check ID to verify my identity.
Okay.
That I'm who I say I am. They also can't confirm that you have authorized as the grantor, that you're granting this property to me. So that's one of the big problems that we're having right now. The state recently introduced legislation requiring deeds of transfer to have valid identification, but it was tabled in the Senate. So until that law is passed, I can file anything that I would like in the clerk's office without ID being required. I think one good measure that clerks could implement would be to install their own property fraud detection system or notification system, so that once the paperwork is filed on your property, you get a direct notification.
Okay.
That's something that's not happening right now. What's happening now is they have what you call the file activity notification system. It is operated by the state. The problem with that is when you record a deed, it's recorded. When you file a deed, it's recorded.
Okay.
It's indexed to the clerk's office.
Correct.
That information is sent to the clerk's authority, to the state.
Right.
So the state will then receive that information, process it, and then notify you that something's been filed on your property. So you see, it's already happened.
Right.
It should be happening in the clerk's office. Once that document's recorded, you should be notified. If I had my way, there would be a 3-day window before it could be recorded, so we could notify you that this is a pending recording. See what I'm saying?
Yes.
What's happening now is I take the paperwork, they record it, it's on the system. Because once it's recorded, it's permanent. It's part of the permanent record. You can't get rid of it.
Right.
You could do a corrective deed.
Correct.
And as you know, with title searches, that's why they do title searches, because every change of that deed, all the different transactions are kept in perpetuity from
Correct.
inception. And Cobb County is founded in 1832. So you figure all these parcels have these chains of conveyances for these different properties. So why not notify the homeowner before that property is transferred, before that document is actually put into the public record?
Thank you for letting me take over your interview, Nick.
You know what? I'm glad you were here. I really appreciate you
Aw,
leading.
thanks.
It was really great. Look, follow Realtor Dawn Armstrong on her social media page. And please visit my website at nickforcobb.com and follow me on social media. Stay informed, and I will see you